The Shimoda Drop Pocket is a simple yet highly effective accessory pouch. It's actually the same as the tripod water bottle pouch that you'll find on our Action XP2 line, which means it makes a good replacement if you misplace or damage one of yours. It can attach to many items through the rear loop and webbing attachments, but it's best suited to be secured to your waist belt, which allows immediate access to items you'll need while out adventuring. For some of the day, this might be snacks and water, and at another point, it might be a small video camera like an Insta360 or a GoPro. Since the Drop Pocket can easily hold a 70 to 200mm lens, it is a great tool for storing and changing lenses while you're actively shooting. The Shimoda Drop Pocket is a simple, light, and essential accessory pouch for any adventure photographer.